Hi guys, right now I'm in a hotel, not the same one that I was in. Right now I'm in one in Seaside. We moved to Washington. We big, sorry, it's 11. Yeah, 11. I'm gonna go to bed after this. Okay, anyways, we moved all the way to Vancouver, Washington. I'm in Hazelville, Washington. I just kept quick and everyone else doesn't. So, yeah, I live there right now. We moved from there and right now we're on vacation. It's better because I have a lot of family there. I saw the Candyman. Purple store's gone. So sucky, I really wanted to see that. In this bag I got a whole bunch of saltwater taffies. I'm gonna do an extra video of me trying some of these. Ooh, there's a rat because I tried them. I'm doing a video. But yeah, in a minute I'm gonna do another video trying out some taffy. Today, I guess. Okay. And yeah, just an update.